nangomunye. Hayi bafethu. Mara bafethu sibhodlela ndoda. Abosibelebele bazokuyekela. Hayi phela abosibelebele uyababona ama-bulldog. You pass the man here. You want to turn. Look at this guy. Uyakhala. Pass the ball. Press. He wants to be here so that they can play the ball there because he's lazy. When you have lazy players, then this guy does not press. Pirates yenzani, they have time and space to look up and play the ball into space. It is packed this side. The ball is telling you it is packed this side. When you still want to make the run there, you ufuna ukubuyela le. Why ufuna ukubuyela le? Why ufuna ukubuyela le? The ball is telling you ukuthi it's packed on the right. Pirates yenzani, kicks the ball out. Now, Jehovah, it's communication. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. If you want to see what you have smart players or not, put them on a small pitch and on a bumpy pitch. Then you'll see what you have smart players or not. Sekhukhune 0, Orlando Pirates 1. Not a good game to watch. Not a lot of creativity from both teams. I'm actually disappointed in Sekhukhune. We all know Sekhukhune is not going to win this. Now you have a chance to win a trophy. You are playing the first leg at home, and then what do? If they're going to get a goal in the next 2 games they are playing against the Pirates, if they score 1 goal, they are going to be lucky. There's no creativity whatsoever. Now, let's start. Like we always do, Sizoqala ngestructure of the team, right? Sizoqala ngeSekhukhune. They played a 4-4-1-1. It's sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 defenders with the double pivot. Sekhukhune, you cannot play with number 6 by 2. You are playing a double pivot and you are playing 2 defensive midfielders. But at the same time, you don't push your full backs at the same time. You don't push their right back and the left back at the same time. You are not going to score a lot of goals. Remember guys, in a double pivot, you can play the 6 and an 8. Meaning the 8 will push forward and then the 6 will stay. Or you can play number 8-2. So bazoloke ba change. Let me make an example. If you playing Adams, Nomukwe, right? Sundowns, those are 2 8s. One will go, one will stay. You understand? If you playing Ndlovu and Umabui, those are 2 8s. You understand? One will go, one will stay, vice versa. But if you're playing a 6-2, okay, sharp. Now, it's the double pivot. This is their number 10. This is the striker. This is the left wing, and then this is the right. It's the right wing. You're playing Usibelebe, playing Umojela on the wing. No pace, nothing. No pace, nothing. Bona ngezinto eziso ukuthi sizodliwa la. You have to play with pace. Mawuzodlala nePirates on the wing. Now still showing you this is their number 10, this is the left wing, this is the right wing, this is the strike. Sharp. I was showing you this Sekhukhune. Now let me show you the Pirates. We all know the Pirates, it's a 4-2-3-1. I'll still show you. Up the box. Central defenders. This is their right back, Usibelebe. Sharp. Double pivot. This is their number 10. Then you have Police. playing as a winger but coming in as a half 10. Even Ulungu, right? He would do that, join up, bese lo azophusha. Angithi Poto, we all know Poto left back. Poto left back. Now, half 10. This is our number 10, and then this is our right winger coming into the half 10 position. So most of the time when we attack, kuzoba number 10 I3. Angithi 1 2 3 1 2 3. Angithi double pivot these two. Angithi it's a double pivot, but so far I'm not sure ukuthi this new guy Nyalkoti Gamana Uti, is he an 8 or is he a 6? Because most of the time he likes to switch the ball, play it to Isibelebele on the right hand side. But so far it looks like it's a double 6. So far it looks like it's a double 6 for the Pirates. There are certain mistakes in a game that they shouldn't be done by umuntu omdala. Yazi umdala, una experience, you're over 30. I'm gonna show you 2 clips. Ball goes to the keeper. That pass was poor. Then you have umuntu omdala, Cardoso, with so much experience. The ball is coming to you. Goalkeeper lapaya. The ball is coming from this side. Now, ibola liyeza so. Then you protect yourself. You protect the ball. You become in between the ball and Umbutuma. And you see as Umbutuma uthanda ukugijima. So if you just put your body in front of him, uzokuchayisa. But when you want to come inside, you expose the ball. Bah! You should have let the ball go across you. And then use your left foot, because he's good with passing a long ball with his left foot. Umuntu omdala loyo. Thingibonisa omunye umuntu omdala naye wenza izinto zabantwana abancane. Nakya nangomunye. Hayi bafethu. Mara bafethu abosibhodlela ndoda. Nesikhukhune nayo they don't do anything with the chance. Futhi ke isikhukhune nje hayi angifuni ukusebenzisa amanye amagama. But now ubhodlela like dog. There's no need. This man is coming to you. There's no need for you to charge. If you want space, then come this side. There's no need for you to charge. You are charging. You are closing down now. You could easily pass goalkeeper again if you are standing here or you come this side. But you are charging. So if you are charging, baya pressa la. Now play the ball long because you are still running. You want to play the ball here. This guy Udlamini, he's already there. Simple things, Buffett. Simple things. I've said it, Guti. When you want to press the Pirates, let UCBC have the ball. Let them play the ball to UCBC, and then the striker must come this side. Then he must face Bambi. You will win the ball because decision making and his left foot is not good. Keep it simple, Lapaya. Just pass the ball, Pambi. This game didn't have a lot of chances, right? Not even a lot, but there were half chances or small chances. If you make the right decision, then you might get an opportunity. If you make the right decision. So now this is Cocoon, right? They win the ball here. They win the ball. Break attack. Now really move, man. The small chance that we had, it's gone. Let me take it back. The small chance that we had. Decision making. That's why when the pitch is small, guys. When the pitch is small, you need smart players. Now we are going on an attack. You look at this guy. I don't know why he kept on facing that way. Angazi ukuthi ufuna ukuphasa bani la. Angithi charge, there's space in front of you. This guy is delaying, the center back is delaying you. Angithi charge with the ball. If you charge and okay, sharp. This is Ua Police. Ua Police is coming to his right hand side. Move the ball this side. And if you move the ball this side, it becomes 2 against 1 because Ua Police usemuva kwakho. Okay, sharp. He doesn't do that. And now he passes the ball because that's what he wanted to do. But he didn't want to go forward. You pass the ball this side. Now let's go forward. Yeah? First touch was not good, but still it does not mean Wuti you have to come back this side because there's a lot of players this side. You still want to come back this side. Now, right? The purpose of us going to press in the middle is for us to do a counter attack or a break attack. But then when we win the ball, we don't do isn't this right? Ball, another half a chance. Free kick, they take it quickly. Bah! Beautiful pass. First touch was not good. Okay, we still have it. I spoke about players when they play against big team, wanting to be greedy, bafuna limelight. Why ungaphasa omunye umntwana? Ay man, ay suka. Yeah, you got a beautiful pass, and then we are flop. Now, you are facing your own goals, Angithi. You can't score from here. Why do you want to turn? There's your teammate in front of you. Nikeza ibhola. Right? When you want to turn, ucabanga ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani? Abosibelebele bazokuyekela. Hayi, phela abosibelebele uyababona ama bulldog. You pass the man here. You want to turn. Look at this guy. They are Kala. Pass the ball. Why do you want to turn? They gave you a pass. They gave you a pass. The first touch was not good. You lost that opportunity. You lost that opportunity. You got a beautiful pass. And then why ungaphasa omunye umntwana? Usafuna ukuthena. Goal, the Orlando Pirates. Now, ngiqala la from the throw in. When you have a lazy player, they'll always try to cheat. Instead of going to this guy, Ezela, so that Hoto can pass the ball backwards and then we can press. He wants to be here so that they can play the ball there because he's lazy. When you have lazy players, then this guy does not press. And Pirates they have time and space to look up and play the ball into space. Played it into space and sharp. That was the first mistake. Now, the second mistake, look at this right winger. Look where he is. I don't know Utina he wants to cheat or not, but look at where Uhoto Ugu. Pirates they recycle the ball. Sharp. Now, before I continue, let me show you what happened in the 9th minute of the game. This is what happened in the 9th minute. And it is 2 against 3. And it's sharp. But watch what happens. This guy does not go and press there. Kwenzakalani kuzovuleka space la. Uhoto beats this guy because what? He's ball watching. Now the pass was not perfect. Had the pass been perfect, then Uhoto could have went there. Now the goal. Ball gets to Hoto. Ulungu yavula ispace lana. Touch. Phakathi inside. So simple. Right? Pirates gave them a warning early on. Mara bona bayenza. Phakathi inside. Second half. Just still try. Okay, maybe that's why, right? You still try. But now, one thing that I noticed, there's many reasons why a player won't perform to their best. Right? If you look at your Police last season, and then umbheke manje, right? One of the things ezizoyenza ukuthi angabuyeli to that form is the player personnel. Yes, Mfukeng akasekho, right? He was the player that was combining naye. This season, like there's not a lot of players that want to play or combine now. I think one player that suits his style of play, Utansin, right? I don't know why, maybe because they are putters or what, but it's okay, sharp. Now, this was a chance that he had. Ne? This is what our police are doing. 1, 2, and shoot. And then this was Ulungu. We know, hey, there's another clip in Naidlala, but now I don't want it to come on Butuma every game. Yeah, but where 1, 2. When you go 1, 2, why 1, 2, 3? That's the problem. Ne? I don't think he'll reach his height this season because there are not a lot of good players. Abazokwazi ukudlala ama 1, 2 police. Have a chance. Yes, Kukune. Sometimes there's a possible changes. Sometimes when things are just going smoothly, nice, a possible change, they'll just decide to do as easy. Okay, sharp. Kukune, Petit Paula. Now, if you pass Umdwana la surrounded by 2 players in this position, so ufuna ukuthi ayenzeni Khaduso? Like ufuna ukuthi ayenzeni? I sharp. Pirates is the ball. Now, you have Utansin. I don't know who Landlelu are police for him. Give this man 2 options. Give him that option. Give him the option on the right, on the left. I go to look pizu pijimisana no police. May ufuna ukumsusa amapimple angazi. Sharp. Continue. Pirates enzani? They lose the ball. This thing here, Pirates of pushing fullbacks at the same time, right? Yes, it was a good option for Uhoto, but they need to be careful. It's happening the foot. So it means whoever has the ball in the middle, you have to protect it. You may protect the ball, protect the ball. Now, counter attack. Besazobheka ground. We all know the pitch is not proper. I mean, come on now, my man. Man. When the pitch is bumpy, when the pitch is small, you will see would you have smart players or not. Now, Pirates has the ball. And this was half a chance. This was half a chance. This was actually a good move. And I understand. The ball is telling you, Uti, it is packed. It is packed this side. The ball is telling you it is packed this side. Whether you still want to make the run there, you ufuna ukubuyela le. Why ufuna ukubuyela le? Why ufuna ukubuyela le? The ball is telling you it's packed on the right hand side. When ufuna ukubuyela le, and then at the same time, when the new Bafana coach comes, you'll expect him to win the AFCON with these kind of players that. Ibhola liyakutshela ukuthi kugcwele ngapha. Why ungatheni? Like simple bafethu. Why do you still want to go there? Why do you still want to go there? Angithi ibhola bakuphasile. It's either uzotrap uyashaya or uyatrap uyapass. Trap and shoot or trap and pass here. Okay, trap and shoot because we know Umbutum. Trap and shoot. But when you still want to run with the ball, it's pegged, my man. Last clip bese ngiyayivala. Last clip yaga Baby Haaland. Ne? Sharp. Pirates yenzani kicks the ball out. Now, Jehovah. It's communication. Now, okay, sharp. People already la pampa la paya. I just want to talk about Baby Haaland. For me, there's a clip where they were playing Iran. It was shown last week, and then the few minutes in this game. When players from outside of South Africa come into the country, you have to give them time. Yes, let's say he scored 10 goals this season. For me, he will still be adjusting to the PSL. And will he score 10 goals? Maybe or maybe not. But for me, he's still slow. like he's still slow. See, now we play at the high pace. You must remember Guti, he was not playing at the highest level at Denmark, right? He was playing Bumbela call. Now he needs to be given time to adapt to the pace of the game. Maybe next season he might show us his true colors, right? Maybe next season. But I mean, I'm not expecting a lot from him because foreigners, guys, foreign players, it takes time. Yes, there's players, Abo Brian Leon, who came in and just clicked that yes, it happened. But most of them, it takes time, right? Don't take time to subscribe. Please subscribe. Please like. Please share. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.